I just found a brand new AI tool that makes building AI chatbots possible for beginners. You can use this to get these bots set up in just a few minutes. They can help you drive sales, answer questions, and support your customers 24/7. And the best part is that they connect to all the tools that you're currently using, and it's not super complex to get these set up. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, how you could use it, and a bunch of different types of bots that you need to set up today. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Chatbot Builder, because here you're able to build out chatbots that can work for you 24/7. These are going to be your always-on team members that know everything. We could see right here that you could use these to order to craft instant personalized messages, to be able to set up custom objective setting, to hand off to a human when necessary. They come with intelligent actions, and you can continuously optimize these. And these are great because you could use these to sell people, to collect more leads, to handle customer service, and really just to begin to automate things very easily. So in terms of actually getting started with this, you're going to come over here and you're going to set up what your website is right here. We could see that this is then going to go through and auto crawl your website in order to actually enhance the agent's knowledge. In addition to that, we could come over here and we could actually give the core agent information. So we could describe the most important information that our agent should actually show, and we could see what the main goals are for these agents. And there are several different goals that we could go with. For example, we could go with helping customers. We could go with getting people to sign up for a free trial, getting people to promote a special offer, to register for a webinar, or if we have another, we can click on other and we can actually share what our specific goal is. What I want to do is get this set up to be able to help customers. So basically, this is going to be a customer support agent. Now, in terms of actually coming over here and setting up this core agent information, I actually use ChatGPT in order to help me with this. You can use Claude, you can use Gemini, ChatGPT, doesn't matter where it is. But essentially, what you could do is simply come over here and say, I'm building a customer support agent for this website right here. Give me everything that it should know. Now, the first time that I did this, it added in emojis and all this stuff. So I just told it no emojis and created so I could copy and paste. And now we could see it's gone through and it's actually created this for us. We have our core product context right here. We have our pricing and billing. We have refund, dispute, and cancellation handling. We also have over here core features. This also goes through, if we scroll down right here, an onboarding flow, common user problems and responses, sales and retention logic, things that it should not do, tone guidelines, escalation rules, success metrics. Now we could actually go through and just copy and paste this in here, and this is going to begin to actually build out our bot right here, which is going to be incredibly useful. So we can see right here, we can now go through and actually build this, and we could go through and add in everything that we want. So if we come under here, we could see that this is now going through. This is actually fetching stuff from the link, and this is going to go through and actually put all these different train links. So I personally, I'm just going to train this on the home page right here, and we can see it's now going through and it's training here. In addition to that, if you have native apps that you want to be able to connect this to, like Notion, Confluence, Salesforce, Google Drive, you'll be able to actually do this right here. In addition to that, if we come over to upload source, we could see that we can also upload data right here. So if we have any type of data, for example, all past successful conversations or something like that, we would be able to actually add this in here. In addition to that, we have this trained area, so we could type in what we want our agent to get trained on. I'm actually going to repost all of this context in here. I'm going to click on train, and then we could see right here all the different files that this is going to be trained on. In addition to that, we could actually come over here and be able to improve our agent. So we could see a list of questions that the agent has successfully responded to, and we could actually go through and reply them, and we could give feedback here, which is pretty cool. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could actually add in a starter Q&A if we wanted to do that. We could come over into the agent setup right here. We'll be able to name it. We could set the tone. We could set the reply length. We could set the usage limit. We could set up the behavior setup. We could give it a description, fallback scenario, and we could actually add in all these different chat enhancements like a nudge message or show data source or send a transcript to the user, and we're able to customize this however we want. In addition to that, if we come over into AI settings right here, this is where we could actually go through and we could customize which model we actually want to use right here. We could see that we could go with auto, we could go with the popular ones, or if we wanted to add in our own custom keys, you're able to do that here. You could also come over here and very quickly be able to actually modify your prompt right here, which is helpful. And if we come over into configuration, we could see all the other apps that we'll actually be able to go through and set up here. We could see that they have ones that are specific to call scheduling, or to e-commerce, or to automations, or to different things here. In addition to that, if we come under channels, we could see all the different channels that we could actually get this to exist. We could have it be its own standalone agent. We could have it be a chatbot that shows on a website and we get the code right here. In addition to that, we could also redesign it. We could actually customize this with our branding if we wanted to. We could change the greeting. We could change the font. So we could literally customize this in any way. We could also add this into WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, and Instagram. Now, in addition to that, if we actually come back over here under Analyze, we could see all of the different conversations that have been had, all the different leads, all the different visitors. And this right here is pretty much everything that you could do with this tool. And it makes it incredibly easy, as you can see here. No coding required, very beginner friendly. And this just helps you set up whatever kind of AI chat that you want. And there's so many different templates and customizations for it in literally just a few minutes. Now, before I walk you through the 3 use cases I would strongly suggest you set this up for, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Chat Builder today, because AppSumo is currently running a lifetime promotion on this tool, which makes now the best time ever to register. Because if you miss this deal, you're going to be stuck paying the recurring price forever. And even if you're not 100% sure that you need it, I would still strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today, because future you is going to thank you. Now, the first use case that I would strongly suggest you get this set up for is going to be for optimizing touch points with AI bots that actually guide people through the sales process, because this is going to allow you to do several different things. For example, this is going to allow you to actually free up different contact lines. So instead of your customer support team being your customer support and sales team, which you're not actually trained for, you will be able to have your own customer support bot and your own sales bot. So we can see right here, this is going to free up contact lines and it's available 24/7. In addition to that, we could see that we could actually use this to cross-sell or upsell, because the bots, once you connect them to your different data sources, will actually be able to go through and analyze the customer's data and provide personalized product recommendations. And this right here can convert 3 times higher than forms. In addition to that, you could have conversion optimization at exit. So when somebody wants to actually go to a similar page, instead of them just thinking about it and be like, oh, maybe I'll go over here, you could actually prompt it with your agent right here. In addition to that, you'll be able to actually deliver consistent experience across multiple devices, because this is actually going to track your user wherever they actually are, which is pretty cool. And if we come over here, we could see that it's incredibly easy for us to actually get all of these different bots set up. So you can have several different bots that are created. You could put them into folders. And like I was showing you before, you could have these bots live in so many different places, which is incredibly helpful. The next use case that I would strongly suggest you get it set up is actually going to be an SMS chatbot builder and text message automation. In fact, this is something I'm going to be rolling out soon on my YouTube channel, and it's something that a lot of people on social media use, and you should be using it too. For example, if we come over to Mike right here on TikTok, we could see that he has a call to action right here to text Beast to this phone number. Now, the reason that he has this is because he has one of these chatbots actually set up at the end of that phone number, because we could see right here that now people can go through, they can ask questions, they could get answers, they could put in a keyword, and then they get sent the specific link. And we could see that this has actually automated more than 500 million messages. And what's great about this is GDPR and SOC 2 compliant. And again, like I was sharing a little bit before, you could use this in order to do click-to-text campaigns, instant auto response, two-way conversations, to be able to do drip campaigns, keyword triggers, rich media MMS, and guess what? Text message converts higher than any other type of stuff. You could send people to a link, doesn't convert as well. You could send people to comment on Instagram, doesn't convert as well. It even converts way better than email, which is why I strongly suggest that no matter what your business is or what you're selling or what you're trying to do, that you have this set up. And this right here kind of actually gives you a little bit of headway into that. So we could see that SMS has a 98% open rate versus email has a 22%, push has a 10%, and Facebook has a 2%. So this is by far the best when it comes to people actually seeing and hearing your message. On top of that, they're actually going to handle you getting your phone number for you, or if you already have a phone number, you could get that set up pretty easily. Now, that last use case I would strongly suggest that you get this set up for is going to be for marketing, because we could see right here that this is going to allow you to actually prioritize inbound leads. So basically what this can do is analyze the odds that somebody is actually going to go through and purchase, and you can treat them differently depending on how they actually reply to initial level questions. In addition to that, this allows you to actually provide preliminary preliminary consultation so you can understand the unique needs of each customer and inform them of standard procedures inside of a personalized chat that feels incredibly engaging, incredibly natural, and this is really going to win your potential customer over. In addition to that, we could see that you could actually set this up so it asks pre-qualifying questions, and what this does is makes it a much easier sell, and it can even be trained to hit on those pain points that your customer is currently feeling. In fact, if we come over here, we could see that we could also set this up to be able to do tons of other stuff. We could see that there are so many different configured apps right here, and we could actually go through and we could get this set up in order to collect user data. We could get it to perform a web search, send emails, an API request, a custom goal, so you can combine that with what your customer is trying to do on your website, which makes this incredibly powerful because this just gives your bot so much more information that it could go off of. And I don't want you to think that this won't work for your business, because this works for SaaS, for IT, for real estate, D2C, e-commerce, consulting, pretty much every business that you could think of, you want to get these set up. So what are you waiting for? If you want to get your chatbot set up so that you can have AI that answers questions for you, deals with customer support, and even helps you get more sales, I would strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and get the AppSumo deal today, because it's not going to last long. And if you don't grab it, you're going to regret it, because then you're going to have to pay for this tool every month and it's going to end up costing you way more money.